technology, your care industry. For over 5 years, Guangzhou SHECOME Biotechnology Company Limited has been a leading manufacturer specializing in high-quality dietary supplements, herbal formulations, and nutritional products. With a diverse portfolio of 1,000 supplement series available, we offer full customization of logos, labels, formulations, and ingredients to meet your specific market needs. Why partner with SHECOME? From concept to market, share your product vision with us. Our professional R&D team can develop custom supplements, provide samples for approval, and ensure every product meets stringent quality standards before packaging and delivery. Own brand strength. Backed by our established brand, SHECOME, Grace LHE, we combine innovative design, scientific research, and an experienced international sales team to deliver products that resonate in global markets. Proven global presence. Our core markets include the USA and Europe, where our supplements have earned positive feedback and a reliable reputation for quality, efficacy, and value. We are committed to developing new products that align with evolving health trends and consumer demands. Through professional service, competitive pricing, and consistent quality, we have built strong credibility in the health supplement industry. We are actively seeking distributors and agents worldwide to collaborate in expanding market reach and achieving mutual success. If you're interested in offering trusted, customizable, and market-ready health supplements, please contact us for more details and start a partnership built on health and growth. SHECOME, formulating trust, delivering health.